Hello, my name is John with Auto Glass Specialist and Auto Glass Direct. I wanted to personally thank you for choosing us for your windshield replacement. There was 4 things I want to go over with you before your appointment. The first is time frame. Your windshield replacement is going to take 90 minutes or less. If you are getting a calibration done, meaning you have one of the newer vehicles with self-driving features, a guest experience, they probably already talked to you about it, but that's going to add another 90 minutes. We ask that you have a full tank of gas for this. The reason we do this is to reach the OEM specifications for weight distribution, it needs to have a full tank of gas. In the other case, if you have anything 50 pounds or more in your trunk or in the cargo area, we ask that you remove that before your appointment. You're welcome to drop the vehicle off. We'll give you a call or text when it's done, or you can hang out in our lobby, have a cup of coffee. Second thing is your stickers. If you have an oil change sticker, go ahead and just leave that on there. We're gonna go ahead and take that off your old windshield and apply it to the new one. If you have a subscription at one of the local car washes and you have one of those stickers, those are intentionally made not to be transferred. We've tried, it doesn't work. What we'll do in this case, we're gonna take that and scrape it off, put it in your cup holder, and then you can go ahead and take that old sticker with your receipt down to the car wash company and they'll just issue you a new one. 3 is aftercare. After your windshield replacement, we ask that you don't pressure wash your vehicle for 24 hours. It's okay if it gets wet. It's even okay if you wash it. We just try to keep you out of the car wash tunnels because they use an absurd amount of pressure, and this could result in having a windshield leak down the road. There may be 2 strips of blue tape on both the passenger and the driver's side. This is made to be easily removed, and we ask you to remove that in a half an hour. Fourth, we have 2 things that we offer, but we don't sell. And by that, I mean, I feel like everywhere I go, I'm getting asked if I want to sign up for their credit card or if I want their warranty program or if I want to sign up for points. And it's awkward for me. It's awkward for the guest. I'm not going to do that too, but I do want you to know what they are because I am a true believer in them. The first is our glass treatment. We have a ceramic-based coating that we can put on your glass that repels water and frost. If you've ever had Rain-X on your car, it's kind of like that, only on steroids. So instead of water sheeting up, making it hard to see, especially when you're driving in the rain at night, it's gonna beat up and just flow off of your windshield. I was in Arizona in a rental for my grandma's 90th birthday, and we ended up getting hit with the one rainstorm they must get hit a year, and I could barely see. I remember looking over at my wife saying, babe, if we had Aquapel on this, if we had our glass treatment, I'd be able to see where we were going. You can get this done for $79 with a windshield replacement, and we have a no questions asked, money back guarantee. So if you're not 100% happy with it, call us, we'll refund your credit card, or come on down and I'll give you cash back. Final thing is we do have a no breakage program. This is a 1-year program. All of your chip repairs on your new windshield are gonna be covered for nothing. No appointment needed, just stop by anytime. If you need a windshield replacement, I'm not gonna make you call 1-800 number and put you on hold for 2 hours. You call the same number you called before, talk to Kathy or Travis, we'll get you on the books, and it's $50, and up to 2 of those. And once again, this is John with Auto Glass Direct and Glass Specialist. We appreciate you choosing us for your windshield replacement.